Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 1456 Grove Street. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the NOPA neighborhood near the Alamo Square neighborhood. And here we are, and really close to Divisadero, which is lots of food and drink, and at nighttime very trendy and a little nightclubby. Okay, there's all the food and drink on Divisadero, and of course the panhandle of Golden Gate Park is super close nearby. Here's the exterior of the building. Very lovely. I believe that's an Edwardian. Very colorful, looking around Grove Street. Nice, beautiful day in San Francisco. All right, let's go ahead and step up into the unit. There's a little gate around the front little patio area. And this unit is going to be right here on the right on this level. Freshly painted, all brand new wood floors have been refinished. Absolutely beautiful. Really tall ceilings, 11-foot ceilings throughout. Stepping in, this could be a front-facing living room, but there's another living room area, so they're calling this a bedroom. Very grand bedroom, could be. Definitely room for a desk there, and that, let's call it a bay window. Okay, here is the second room. Now, of course, those are pocket doors, so this could all be opened up and make it a large parlor. Just an enormous room. Gorgeous floors. Light well looking out towards the street right there. And a closet. There is a large storage area underneath the stairs here. And then another closet right here in the hallway. I would call this a coat closet. All right, a third bedroom right here. And here is the living room connected to the kitchen. Okay, very beautiful modern kitchen. All the wonderful conveniences, including dishwasher, wine rack, gas range, French door fridge, built-in microwave, stainless steel farmer sink, nice window over sink, Nest thermostat, okay, there is one restroom, but it's super nice, walk-in shower, marble on the walls and the floor. Double sink, lots of medicine cabinets, and a big storage area there. Okay, this is the pantry. Very cool. Nice to have a pantry. Sometimes kitchens forget that. It even says pantry on the door. Okay, in-unit washer dryer with additional storage here. Front-loading washer dryers, lots of functions and features. Awesome. Right off the kitchen is a back porch. So that would be wonderful for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Right here, and then of course you have easy access to the shared backyard. With a basketball hoop. Okay, that pretty much concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck on your home search.